the cytosponge clearly is potentially a revolutionary investigation and could make a huge difference in terms of investigating patients with potential malignancy or pre-malignant conditions in the esophagus. And because of that, because we can do that more simply, because we can do it cheaply, because we can monitor patients potentially much more easily, it's likely to save lives ultimately and prevent advanced malignancy of the esophagus, and that can only be a good thing.